In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the proximity or smart key system full test. Well, first we'll power on our tool. Then we'll make our way down to proximity full test and click OK. And then we're going to want to hold our proximity key where the RF antenna is at the bottom of the tool. And once we have that, we'll either open the door or push the engine start-stop button just to turn on the car, not to start it. And when we do this, we're going to see a couple of things. The AE IST will give a visual and audible signal to indicate the signal level of the vehicle transmitter and proximity remote key. It's a short beep for the car and some of the noises we hear with the other functions for the key. It will also display the frequency of the proximity remote signal. So we're going to see the key signal and then also the car signal acting up here. So I'll go ahead and push the start button. And we start to see the proximity signals coming through. If not much is happening in the car signal, you can use the up arrow to increase the sensitivity. Or if it's going too far, we can use the down arrow to decrease the sensitivity. If everything is correct, we should see signals cycling through like we see here.
If you have any further questions or difficulty, please call AE Tools Tech Support. Thank you and have a wonderful day.